Hi guys, so for today, what I have here with me is the basic Air Force One GS. Yes, this is GS, or you could call it Junior. I got this from JD. So for Malaysian price, it is 279, whereas if you buy the adult size, it is 369. So I'm gonna be telling about what differences I feel there, or like a detailed close-up. So if you want to buy one online and you want to make sure that it's legit, then I'm gonna give you a close-up of this pair of shoes. Okay, first of all, when you get the box, this is what you will see. By the way, yes, I will repeat, this is a JD pair GS size, so it may be different from the adult size. Packaging, I'm not very sure, but this is for you to compare if you're going to cop a GS online. Since we're in MCO now, you can't really go to the store to check, so I'm gonna let you check it through here. So yeah, this is what is on the box. This is the size I got, UK 5.5. So I'll explain about the sizes later on. Okay, so I've already unboxed it. So this is what you'll see inside the shoes. You'll get this too. And this is how the wrapper would look like. So it would say AF1, dark and light. Go to the shoe. So these are the shoes. So yes, this is a UK 5.5. I normally go for a size Euro 39. For comparison, my Converse is a 39, UK 6. But for the Air Force, I sized down, and UK 5.5 GS fits me perfectly. And to be very honest, I feel like there is still space. I think because it is wide, so it does feel a little loose at the front and the back, which is okay. It is okay. It's not that bad. It's just that it isn't tight even though you go down half a size. So what I would recommend, even with my friends buying the adult size, you could go down half a size or one size down if you want a snugger fit. Yeah, so let's do a little close-up of the shoe. Sit. Hi guys, so for this part of the video, because the audio got cut off, I will be switching to a voiceover, and I'll explain the styles that I would go for wearing the Nike Air Force. So for the first outfit, I'm wearing sweatpants from Cotton On. These are the wide version, and my shirt is from Uniqlo, I think. And then the Nike Air Force. This is what I would wear on a day-to-day basis, no cap, because the Nike Air Force is wide, so it's easy to slip on. And for the next outfit, if you still want to go for the t-shirt and wide leg pants, then you could go for this one. The wide leg pants is from Uniqlo, the top is from Uniqlo, and yeah, I was going for an all white look in this outfit. And if you want to dress it up a bit more, you could always add on a black blazer, which is what I'm going to do here. So for the black blazer, this is from Veramoda. And I like how it's oversized but not too oversized. And I like the thickness of it and the material because it doesn't wrinkle easily, and it could easily dress up your whole outfit. I might be doing a new lookbook on how to style black blazers, so you guys can stay tuned for that. So for the final look is something when I'm really lazy and it might be a bit hot. So I'm wearing this quarter wide pants. This is from Taobao, and in case, like let's say if I'm going to the bank and it is cold, because my legs usually get cold, So I would bring a backup hoodie, which is not related to the legs getting cold, but at least your top stays warm. Yeah, so yeah, it doesn't look that good, but this is really like realistic of what I would wear if I'm going out running errands and stuff. So yeah, that's it for the lookbook portion of this video. Now we're going on to the close-up shots.
If I take you down, would you really hold me down and be your best friend? She just wanna hit me with a quickie by the pool, and I'm like, yes, ma'am. Way you got me feeling for your body, you might turn me to a yes, man. Oh yeah, 80 and a 40, I'm